Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Jantek Industries product demonstration series. My name is Kellen, and today we're going to be taking a look at our triple slider. So the triple slider is one large window, and it does constitute just one window. It's very popular for homeowners who want to fill a large opening without having to purchase multiple windows. We have our frame and our sashes. They are fusion welded together at the corners, which eliminates any separation at the seams. We have a quarter, half-quarter demonstration. And what that means is throughout the whole width of the opening, the center fixed non-operable picture window is half of the width, and its operating side flankers are a quarter of the width. So this is a slider window. The center picture again does not move, and these two flankers will slide in. Now the operable sashes that slide left to right are also very easy to remove for cleaning. So the way they are removed, you just lift the sash up and pull it out. You'll notice that on the bottom, they are equipped with rollers, which is one of the first pieces of hardware we're gonna take a look at with our triple slider window. To put the window back in, just insert it back into the top of the window frame track, and it'll drop back in easily. The next pieces of hardware that we have are our locks. So the way they work, this is in the unlock position. You just slide them up for the top and down for the bottom, and same thing with the other sash. And now that they're locked into place, the sashes will not move. All of our EnergyMiser windows will come equipped with half screens. As you can see here, these are half screens. They do slide to remove them. Same thing as the sash, you just lift them up and you can put them right back into place in the screen track there. This window will come equipped with grids. This is not a standard option, it's something you can add on. This is called the contour or Georgian grid, but again, you can get colonial or flat. The glass package available with this window can come into double or triple pane glass. For more information on the performance specs for this window, you can download the product sheet off of our product information page on our website. That's jantekwindows.com. If you're interested in getting an estimate for replacement windows or patio doors, make sure to select the tele estimate option on our website. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kellen, and we'll see you next time.